AI Impact Summit 2026 underway at Bharat Mandapam, traditional Indian weaving is witnessing a high-tech makeover. At the event, Tata Consultancy Services demonstrated how artificial intelligence can be integrated into the textile making process without replacing the artisan.
This particular solution is primarily focused on empowering weavers, who are the almost heartbeat of India, weaving being the second largest occupation in India. This innovation is focused on helping improve the value of the product the weavers make, and also helping them in making those weaves without mistakes. It's about how AI and current day technology augments the artisans of India in making their art better.
The TCS Intelligent Design Platform turns voice commands, sketches or images into loom-ready designs instantly, with 3D previews to show how the fabric will look before weaving begins. It also suggests design elements tailored to weaving clusters like Banarsi or Kanchipuram, helping artisans make faster, informed creative decisions.
Any new sari design, right, which is intricate and which is at a detail level, takes months for the design process. And it's only from the concept to weave, to get there itself, it takes about 2 months in most cases. So we are trying to reduce that timeline, so more and more intricate products will get made, and that will get down to from the concept to weave much faster.
Additionally, Smart Weaver Assist uses LED guidance on the loom to help even less experienced artisans follow complex patterns easily, encouraging younger generations to stay connected to the craft.
Back in those days, people started doing the craft, doing the work from very early ages. But in current day, when younger generation adopts it, they don't stay with the craft simply because it takes time and because it doesn't earn them enough livelihood. So our focus was to let this art thrive in the world, and many such artisans, and this is really special to India as a nation, and that's one reason why we very closely worked with artisans and found their problems of where they possibly can make mistakes and how it affects them, and created the solution to alleviate those problems.
By cutting production time and reducing costly errors, the innovation by TCS aims to make intricate handloom products more viable, helping traditional Indian crafts compete and thrive in today's market.